Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
A rush with yeah. Well, blessed love. Welcome guys to Key and Life in Jamaica. You know it goes already. We're here in Trenchtown, so you know today we're gonna get the door for our chef bathroom. So today we're gonna put on his bathroom door as well too, you know. And then we'll be sorting out the rest of the stuff then liquor by liquor. You know, I know you guys must be saying yes, you know, things take time, you know, working with the time. But we have, you know, so today we're gonna get the bathroom door. Yeah, so we're gonna buy a door. Yeah. So guys, remember to put the thumbs up when you're watching Keen Alive in Jamaica. Whenever you're watching, put the thumbs up. You know, so walking to our local hardware here in Trenchtown, you know, which is on 7th Street. You know, that's where we get our local stuff then, so we don't have to really go too far, you know. So we'll support the locals to help them grow. Uncle, big up. How is everything?
Yeah. Long time not see you.
Oh man.
Long time not see you, but I'm glad to see you.
Yes. You could otherwise do.
Yeah, man.
Can't complain.
No, because when you have life, you have hopes, everything.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
So it's a big up to everybody in the world.
Yeah, man. Big up to everybody in the world, man. Big up yourself.
Buy a drink, you know, because I know a long time I don't see it. I know I have to buy a drink.
Yeah, thanks, man.
You know, a long time I don't see it. It's been a while now.
Yeah, man.
So, you know what thing go, Uncle. I wanna pave the way for you, you know.
Yeah, man.
So, but how you feeling otherwise, health-wise?
Yeah, I give God thanks, I'm strong in myself. Strong in myself, so you have to give God the glory and everything.
I see the 8th of November, yeah?
Yeah.
We have some nurse come by the Dry Town Center.
Yes.
We're going to do some screening and some checkups.
Yes.
So you can come over there the 8th of November from the morning.
Yeah, man.
We're going to start from about at least 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock.
Yes, you will see me.
So we can just write it down so you can remember.
Yeah, man, I remember, man.
The 8th of November.
Yeah, man, I remember, man.
So health-wise, how you feel health-wise?
You don't think about me? I don't know the foot as well. Don't have so.
Oh.
Yeah, don't have so cramp up.
Cramp up?
Yes.
Like what, arthritis?
No, I don't have that, but I don't know what happened, don't have so. But I did go to the doctor. And it looked like when me used to juggle, carry juice. Me used to rest it on the foot as well.
Yeah.
Then a lady tell me after a while, I can feel it. And it happened.
Oh, it's rest the weight on your foot?
Yes.
Oh, so now you feel the pain?
Yeah, right. But otherwise, there's strength in us, so me alright and good and did about me, praise God.
So where you use on it now?
No, I want heating like me that I use, but it not help it.
No, help it. Is hot water?
Yeah, me use hot water for more time. But
so what kind of pain it give you, like?
Pain give me a burning and cramp.
Burn and cramp,
yeah.
like blood circulation.
Yes, cramp up, I see that. All in place as well, yes. But on foot you do, you know.
Yeah.
It's a foot alright. Yes.
So it's that come like a blood circulation?
Yes, my mind tell me so. My mind tell me so.
But as I say, the 8th of November, you can just come over there and the nurse them can have a look on it for you.
Yes,
And then them can help out.
Yeah, man.
Because you don't want it to stay for too long.
No.
If it stay for too long, you know what can happen.
Yes.
So why you shake? You have a problem why you shake?
Yeah, the nerves gone, you know, work too hard. And the nerves gone away, but we know what that.
Oh, so you check that out as well? Why you shaking?
Yeah, man, the doctor did tell me say all the nerves get bad.
Oh.
Yeah, doctor tell me say nerves get bad. I have to live with it, tell. That's all.
That them say you have to live with it?
Yeah.
So nothing you can do about it?
But me never question him about that. If it can be done, but in myself, I say some food doctor, me will have to see some food doctor. We see what can be done to it.
Yeah, but that's at the foot, but we can say your body is shake. So
yeah, man, the nerve gone.
The nerve gone, and then they never ask him if he can do anything about it.
No, me never ask him.
You should have asked them, you know, because you don't want to leave that till it get worse.
So when we come over there now, it's in November, can explain myself.
Yes, and them can tell you what can get done.
What can be done to it. I'm glad to see where you are said to me.
Yeah, man.
I'm glad to see where you are said to me.
So, we should have, I think now, nothing we could have taken a name, so at least we could have come and remind you.
Yeah, man,
remember
man. Remember it, man. Remember it, man.
Right.
Don't believe me, remember it.
Yes.
I was the 8th of November coming the right over dry town.
Dry town, yes.
Yeah, man, me go do that. You go see me, brother.
Right,
you go see me.
Looking forward, man.
Yeah, man, you go see me, brother.
So you can get everything checked
yeah,
out,
man.
right?
God bless.
Uncle. What's your name again?
Daniel Brown.
Daniel Brown. Alright, then, so looking forward to see you, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Alright, yeah, and if you know anybody else who want to check up, just make them know, yeah?
Yeah, man, we will tell them, man.
Tell them so they can come. Because we know all the health systems there.
Yeah.
Because the nurse them come from overseas.
So, me glad.
Yes.
Me glad, my brother.
Alright then, so take care, uncle.
Yeah, man.
Alright, big up. Yes, guys, so. Yeah, man, so these are one of the elders there in the place. So right now we're in Mexico. You know, we're right here in Mexico. We have the station right there. You know, so we're literally here in jungle up by the other side, you know, on 7th Street. So you have the police station right over there. See them here, you know. Manners. So guys, so remember, you know, if you're in and around Trenchtown and you're watching, remember the 8th of November, you know, we have the health screening is going to take place here in Trenchtown over by Jai-Town Center, which is on 7th Street, you know, across from the police station. So right now we're on the other side where the police station is. So just remember it's on the other side, you know, where you can come get your regular checkup. Business. So come get your checkup the 8th of November. Please and don't be late, you know, come. Tell your uncle, tell somebody that anyone need a checkup, just come and do the checkup, because if a checkup is needed, right? So that is how the thing said. Yo, so over there that's the Jai-Town Center, that's where it's going to be taking place, you know. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, actually I know one thing. Whoa.
No, I'm turn around and hold on, brother. I said, I'm turn around and hold on, so.
Double door?
Yeah.
Double door, you know. Well, I'm door.
Come to go this. Alright guys, so
The big one. This is more than
oh, eh.
Oh, that great game, one game, and I fix it for them.
Alright guys, so we get the door now, so we're gonna use this door now for roast chef bathroom. Right
roast out.
So this is roast chef bathroom there. Yeah guys, so as I said, for the room door you're gonna need a bathroom door because we're thinking what to use, so we decided so we're gonna put on a door and it's bathroom, you know. So we got the door which is size 30, you know, so we're gonna wait on the builder now to come and put it up, you know. So little by little we're trying to finish off this project, you know, as soon as possible as we can. You know, so we know the thing goes already, because we have to try our best to try and finish it off, you know, as soon as possible. You know, so we are boom here today. We are doing a boom up on it as usual.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Boom never leave the mission, you know.
Man, that left on earth for me.
Never leave the.
Yes.
We're trying to get horses out there. Oh yeah. So we're not far away right now.
Yeah.
Yeah. We're not far away. So we're on the closing stage. So, oh, should I get the filler? Should I get the filler for the wall? That's why we never get the filler for the wall. Yes, yes. So little by little, wow chef, what else now to come out of the yard is?
Yeah, man. It's come on, man. That and a washing machine I'm going to use. And I'm just use the zinc in the door, maybe. Last time I'm going to talk about it, you see. That's what we're going.
Yeah.
We use two and team there, man, and I'm just leaving it, you know.
Yeah.
The fence, you know, because we wait for camp it now, got me, you know. We wait for camp it now, got me, so I get two more team members, me and the man just leave with it, you know. Yeah. Because easy thing, you just couple posts drop in and I just put both them cross and just nail up at the zinc. Yeah, so that one.
So you said what you said you do with that machine there? You leave the machine there? That work?
No, man, no, see my use it. No, see my use it, you know. So I'm in the yard, I see my use it, so I have to move it over.
Oh.
Yeah, and just move, that will come out and go to can this. So by soon and soon, it happen, man. By soon and soon it will happen. Yeah, so just move out them, look out two little things there, and get the fence deal. Because I have to post them on and sell and board them. So soon and soon, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, by time ready to start deal certain thing, it's up and deal with one. Yeah. So do it shirt and wear for money.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So guys, so this door now,
yeah,
we're gonna put it right in the middle right there. You know? We're going to put it right in the middle right here. You know, so that's where the door is going to go, right in the middle, because as you can see, it's definitely going to need a door. You know, so it's going to go right in the middle right there. You know? And wash it.
Let's see if we're ready, man. Just like, you know.
So we're gonna get some growth, guys, and we're gonna grow it out inside, you know, because we're gonna grow out the floor them as well too, you know, and everything. And then we're gonna run the light and put the bulb in the middle, you know, right here in the middle as well too. Everything there. Jenna.
Oh, jeez.
Alright, go on. Let's go buy a do a while ago for wow chef, you know?
The face base so and the tile level they there so they are
On the
some
face base, man. Sing.
the sink and the tile level.
This is a face basing. Layla, what? What, the machine?
Nah, use it. No, watch.
So him said nah use, right?
Yes, so I'm going to just get it and breathe on it. Instead of French. I roll him up.
I went in that drum there.
Not that.
Yeah, the barrel.
Water in there. Water in there. You don't use to pull up in there. Water in there.
So basically,
And there's a blue one that we use and left one here.
yeah. Fine, man, everything now.
Soon bury it.
Somebody Irish.
Huh?
I'm going to sew it for burying now, Jella, man.
Yes, sir.
Now watch it, man.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because I do it there.
Third Street now.
You need my copy, sorry. Your brother
Yeah,
no
man, yeah,
car.
man.
Because if you look on them two doors, you know, the man can just change for indoor, you know.
Yeah, man, more than can change the door, brother.
You know, make the thing look uniform, you know, because your field door, show off your door, defeat the purpose, you know. And the man,
The man that trade man and now do nothing, you know.
and your trade man,
Trade man and the man, they don't actually know. The man that trade man and the man that now
do the right thing.
Months per months, man have zinc there, so feature at the front. Look on the zinc there. Look on the zinc there, look there. Be a new zinc, good, second and you can go there, so. Months per months, and next year come a same place, that's them there.
So I say I give you a strength by helping us all. Why me a sweat? I go walk there a while ago. I want to see him to talk to you, you know.
Well, I joke to the man there, the man so coming up. You see what time now? The so coming up.
After 4 you know.
25 minutes after 4, you know.
Yeah, yeah.
2 hours.
You need to take it off and put on something nice.
Done something nice.
Hello, everybody. See you, Lord. See you, Lord. Baby, see you, Lord. Yeah, see you, Lord. See, oh, topless. Wow, you know, buy this fair. You know?
Good, you know?
The green one. The green one. Whoa. Baby, I see you, Lord. Christmas sale, Christmas coming down. Christmas coming down. Well, Kiosha.
No, we king. Manners and respect.
Body cat.
Yeah, the king.
Yeah, the kid.
Yeah, 9 hours, you know, 9 hours.
Baby, see you, Lord. Alright, guys. Yeah, man. So what we're gonna do, continue to the next day because the builder is on a work doing something, you know, so we're just gonna put that off till tomorrow. We'll drop back on it, you know, so that's what's gonna happen, you know. So tomorrow now we're gonna try fix Voucher fence as well too. So we're gonna attack those things tomorrow as well too. So we're trying to finish off, do any smart thing we can do to close out everything right now, you know, because it is that time. So blessed love to all guys. Blessed love. Well, guys. So, you know, this is the next morning. Welcome. This is the next day, guys. So, you know, say I have to get something to eat first before I head in Trenchtown to go and finish off the whole chef, you know, to put up his door, because yesterday we never get to do it because of time and run out. So now I'm at Ivo Spice. Man, is everything good? There you go. So Ivo Spice, the portal. So I'm here to get myself a burger. You know, and a sip. Yes, you know me, I forget myself. Well, let me call it burger, them call it Aiga. You know, everyone have a way of changing the names. I wonder if they got sick. Aye.
Yeah.
Raggedy.
She stick at them here now.
Yeah?
Yeah, man.
Spice. One spice. The eye create now.
And the steamers, we have finished up because one say no one. Okay, no.
They say have sick.
Promotion.
See the pie,
Yeah, I'm just out of one. Look at one sit there now.
small
Small
sit. Small sit there, quick.
Everything in our brand right now. We have cup, we have everything.
Raggedy, what you have here?
Yes, you don't know. Nigo's framework just getting some sticker for me, you see me? The general, you see? Yeah, so. You see me? Just to start out something new, test them, you know?
I say, well, raggedy.
Them not. Yeah, man, we designed that too, you see me?
And water?
So you put the well and the raggedy, so it's like a... I'll go on this
No,
one.
man, someone.
Bone up the screw in there.
That's E backwards, you see it, and the L.
Yeah, I realize.
Yeah.
This is it.
Them not here.
How are them not here?
But I'm not amazed.
You're not listening.
Yeah.
It's, hey.
5 days.
Hard 5 days, yeah.
Yes, you know.
Go on, you give me what something.
So the bad back here. You have the scorpion, the rum, everything in this. Anyway, touch it, heal.
We only have one. We have one. Just in case.
Yeah, man, so these people, you know, 40 leg, we call 40 leg, you know it as centipede, you see me?
Yeah.
Centipede, yellow wasp, scorpion, you see me? Little woman, some herbs, you see it? Yeah, man. So when you get a sting, you just taste and little cock and tap it on the sting, you see it?
Yeah.
Like, not never there.
Yeah, nothing over there.
Yeah, man.
Done. So guys, so you're gonna get my ital sip. You know, where the sip is right. Can't tell you. No soup. Sip. You know, I know my order my Aiga already. So the sip now have to go and warm up the system. Ready for the Aiga and the CMAS at the same time. So we can go take on some of this work and see them way back again. So as you can see, we have some
We got some work in the front.
yeah. You sit me and tell you that it's like you're drinking a fish tea, trust me. And say healthy life is the better life, you know. Can't work without health, so you have to make sure that the life is healthy first. After healthy first.
Health, well, don't matter.
It don't matter. Because the world can't help you to get better when you lose the health. You know? Them always say when you lose money, you lose nothing. You know, but when you lose health, you lose something. Because it's very hard to get back when you lose it. I'm not prepared to lose it right now. I'm going to fight for it. Mama say prevention better than cure. Right now, I prevent. I don't want to take the cure. This is the total vibration when I come in here. See, can all our vibes. I was spice with the steam.
Just are put together, you know.
Ready now.
Getting hose now and ready.
So you make this done for order as well too? Yeah. So you just say if you know you're the idol when you want a steam done to order, so you can get that same way.
Smoke, you know.
Yeah, at I
You
was
like
spice.
a big one, look, you see.
Yeah.
Just want to put in the hose and
I work at car easy to make this done. I have a skill to make all one of this. Really have a skill.
gin for everything away now. But you know, most people lock it in, you see me? And press a ready make thing, they don't want to use them brains, you know?
That's true.
Lock down the soul.
That already make look easy, you know, but I went there if you make it now. And that thing.
And you know, everything might have to have perseverance. You can't just try one time and give up.
True.
But keep trying, I say I got to do. And you can wash it out now and do it.
That stone there, are they? Which one that?
And the protective one, you know.
The clear quartz.
Yeah.
That this one, the clear quartz. You know them. They can Google it and check it out. You know, clear quartz. You know, it said protect your energy. You know, from most negative energy and everything. You know, so you can Google it. You know, and see what it means. Clear quartz. You know, check it out. It's a good thing to have. Trust me. Release some energy. These are the steamers, you know. Always good to do the right thing. Trust me. So they have some noonie.
Make strong, you know, the buckle out. You know, get ready now.
Yeah, I'm going to buckle them out now.
Yeah. See, you know? What's that? And slap it one time. Put some weed in there.
Just really steam. So guys, if you never see how they do noonie before, this is how they sort the noonie. You put it in a bag. You put the noonie in a bag. You put it for it to drain out. This is how it is, you know. So you put it in a bag for it to drain out. So noonie is not a thing where you can literally squeeze the juice. You have to make it run its own juice, you know. So while you put it in a bag, it will run out eventually, you know. So that's it. You cannot squeeze it. You have to literally make it run out itself. And this is the pure noonie as it is. Really old. So you have some more here. And the thing is a young almond tree right here as well. So guys, I may say I'm here at Ibo Spice, 131 Orange Street, you know. I can also check him out on Instagram as well too, at Ibo Spice, CMA, IBO Spice, SPICE, where you can come and get your ital, your healthy food, CMA, you know. So I just got my burger here. You know, this is the vegan burger. This is the vegan burger. Let me show you what it's like. The breadfruit is the bun. So they use the breadfruit as the bun. You know? Breadfruit as the bun. So that's it there. So instead I use the bread. I'm not what they normally use for the bun. They use the breadfruit itself. So I'm not having it yet because I'm having my sip. You know. So this is a to go, not to stay. So I'm gonna get myself one of them spurly, you know, sea moss, and then I head into the trench though. seam is pearly, you know.
Yeah, no, me just so me have to line it up first.
Start frame down.
Yeah, frame go first.
See first. Yeah, you can do it.
No, yes, man. I'm just pushing the thing one time.
There, you ever see this before? Breadfruit burger.
No. Spicy. Oh, yeah, yeah.
Eyeball spice.
And that's that, man. So you believe the fitness key, and that's something more pull it, you know.
Oh, for pulling?
Don't line up everything.
Yeah, man, spranglers are deal.
Yeah, we for pull it already.
No, that a beat me. You could have in there
They're
already.
in there already, you know.
I'm short him back off if him and that.
All in key.
Yeah, all in key.
Not just every range. All in.
Yeah, when I go down there.
Oh, you never see this yet?
No, I don't
The
never
breadfruit
see
burger.
it.
Where are you some go get?
No, sweet to your brother, I never see it.
Yeah. So
I just get
Nice, you know.
what? I tell.
So you have two.
I just fed them in it, the lettuce, tomato, and them something there.
And the ital card. General. You have all in key. Okay, I want me to say.
Adjustable wrench.
Man, all in key. Adjust everything.
Yeah, that can pull it.
Alright.
Can you have a blade?
Now we have blade, you know.
We pull the blade.
Yeah.
Yeah, me have all in. Me have all in. Adjust everything. No, all in.
Alright.
You have to know the size. Alright, me have fun.
Yeah.
Never see it yet, you know. Boy, may I tell you.
Eyeball spice, you know.
What you want?
The level, each level.
The ital man we always see me go buy there.
Yeah, the ital man, boy, may I tell you, ital. All for blessing, enough love, you know. Yeah, look good. I don't never try it yet, it look good.
If we go bring it going, then we can
Yeah,
try
man, so
it.
watch it now, the breadfruit though. Oh, and bake out the breadfruit and press it out, so.
Right.
Fried. Oh, same thing again. That's me take I just bake out the breadfruit and press it out. And then I just put the things in pan it and you see me I say,
Yeah.
look good, me not lie, you know, red, gold and green, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, look good, man.
We're bringing it around there for try.
One day, so don't say nothing, man. Make sure you have one of the swims in it.
No. Nothing with that around there.
Alright?
Everything ital.
Everything ital, is an ital man still, so.
No, man.
Very quick, man.
Yeah, chicken back man.
That's a lie, brother. It's not the ital. Better say you eat ital.
Yeah,
But it's not the
yeah,
ital.
not the ital man.
You what?
Ital, man.
Eat ital.
Yeah.
You see me I say?
So like
Yeah, so me work with it.
that is
Yeah, man, you see me I say? Yeah, man, cause boy, me I tell you, general they I eat, boy, me I tell motor run all water. Me I tell you see me I say?
watch yourself.
Yeah,
It
man,
smells good too.
nice look, man, it look good, man, red, gold and green, man, you see me I say?
The sun is sharp.
Yeah, you run through the way you want it, man.
You fly back on you. Oh, I forgot me have another piece of two before.
Yeah, man, I go on.
Yeah,
Alright, move, you move.
yeah, take on myself.
My bills out of stash now.
No, the boss there.
The man beg your bills.
Where's it?
Yeah.
Bills out of stash my way down.
The boss there, so you go up and make it general.
No boss are there,
The
sir.
boss there, brother, man, you talk about boss dead over there, so you cut the
No
stone.
boss are there here.
No, my boss dead over there, so cut the stone. Them.
Yeah.
He's no fears of that.
Boss ride ass.
Yeah, man.
Boss a slave owner.
Why am I not fucking? I'm bills for the stash. I'm bills very.
I like your style, you know. See this?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, good nose.
I go down something.
That give the man 1,000.
How far they go down?
Brighty.
No, man, toss me about it.
Follow them go down way. But anyone more, I'm not born to follow them.
No, brother.
You come on, man.
Watch it, you say.
Fair, school there, eh?
Just the door. Yeah, just.
School,
Just the door.
You go on school for
Plus a show fucking out. Plus a show out say, you know. He's a good man, she say, you got him no coming.
Oh, chef, where the bucket there?
Look at now.
You screw them in.
Inches. Yeah, you was near. Inches. Passing.
Listen, look at them. Look at screw.
Yeah.
No, man.
Yeah, man. They
German screw. The blue one them.
Yeah.
No, me look first.
So guys, as you can see, prefect start to frame out. So you're gonna put the
Show that glass please.
prefect the frame and look neat.
Yeah, man.
Is it?
I just got 2 more. Put in there.
Cut off piece.
Put on the bottom. So what is level?
End.
Level them say. Check it. Why more than a pencil? Alright. Nah, them size are them big. One standard size. Piece of bone
A boat that I use, you know. I use 2 small boats.
yes, sir. More boat.
Cut that board there. And then cut it. Give him my cutting.
I would have just
Set him the other way.
Make him stay right. Yeah, that's it. Set it right. That's all.
You take a blade card.
No,
Can't get for pull. Never, I know I have that size all-in key over there, but true, as I may say, some single all-in key. But look for them. No all-in key over there, man. Oh, but I want bush and melon.
Saw with a ring.
The blade, that. Yeah, the blade, that's real.
Easy.
sell a board night.
Yeah. You board night, you know?
No man, we have a put piece of them board, a piece of lot, or a piece of something night.
Hold on.
And the same piece they will come out.
I say a big piece of board.
Piece of my front.
If you take off that, it go.
No, this can't go in there, man.
Yeah man, we pull it out.
Pull it out.
Block.
Now the screw.
Many pens we say that.
Now you make it depend.
Whatever.
This is a frame. One more frame to go right there. So the man, then Allen key.
Two little small one now.
Can't open that before open that.
No, small one now. Grab the side. Look up the side. Look up the side.
Piece of cheese will be that.
Small one. Oh, yes.
Yeah, murder.
Daily brush off this. The thing that's
Pick it out.
50 miles ago there.
Jackson. A donation here for you. From Jack from London.
Jack from London.
Yeah. To help out with the situation. This is $18,000. Well, so there's a donation here from Jack from London for the Rasta Jackson. Hey boy! My finger.
I'm walking here, my finger card, wait.
Yeah. This song some praise every time. Jack from London. Love respect. Every time. Love every time. Give thanks and praise. Thanks every time. Yeah. Love every time.
Yeah man, that's Jack from London.
Yeah.
It well tight.
Yeah man, let me do that now.
I'm charging.
You come to take out them something.
What? This one? Joe is saying I'm going to do what in there.
Yeah.
And cover them saying I'm do something.
Plug in that to me.
Oh, plug him out. Sit there. You can't.
Plug out that side down right in there. I'm plugging. Yeah, plug out that.
Charge.
You don't want to straighten the fence, man. Fence and straighten.
Yeah, me agree.
That's what better?
What is that?
Sweet.
Cut sweet in a year. No man, I'm going to use that.
Blade. The blade finish.
Yeah, done. So I do quality, can I see?
See it black.
Black, okay. See one of them, reach it there. 1 inch here, right in front. Like this now.
Oh, see one.
No man, see 1 inch here, this is another one. See, try just saying. Fine, huh?
Where you brother name again? Oh, chef.
Junior.
Junior. Crampy. Where say they go fling up them zinc here up there, sir?
Yeah.
When?
The week, man. Go Friday, stop there.
No, why you saying that the week? Why you week?
No, my one, put them on my side now.
Calm down now.
You see, me, I just use our left back now.
Hold on now.
So wait
One
there.
of them can't use it now.
It now come cross, so.
No.
You see?
As you can see, we are transpire now. And movements to the pan. So you know what you say you do, what you do.
Especially the zinc that share, the whole share.
You can't do it, man. So the one I see them there.
Can't reach cross.
I'm going to take so much zinc camp I use. Right this alone.
Four I go right on my back part there, sir.
Yeah, right back.
I chew the time more while, because you can't see them. And that's enough for wet them. They put the bucket and sit up there.
Yeah.
Catch them. I want to you can't get me what you want. See the girl move back at some is in.
Let me
Bow, you boy wetting him there. Yo, the one zinc we change off.
see there, right? Take up that.
You know, zinc. She's come back in the house itself. You get to my zinc and the girl fight you out, you don't get none. And that I tell her, God, I'm telling God, I say, so all them zinc I saw, we never use them back. So we go call the girl and tell the girl so I come for the zinc them. The girl will fight if we don't get the zinc them, Bridget. So she should pay a week. She should pay a week. We can't get the zinc them and rare some of the zinc them. Tell no one go like that's a song.
Yeah.
You see? Whoa. Young boy, I saw the zinc them I from grown enough, come up sign up. You know them family house there.
Too tight.
You better tight.
No, yeah, no.
Can't sit down.
That one, yeah?
Can't.
When I did look a bit.
So you could have wedge it, man.
Can't see that.
You can wedge it in piece and do it
Look at this.
better tight so you can brace up.
Because you don't want to take them out and screw you up, you know. You have to go screw it up. So. Because I check it out, screw them down,
Yeah.
and pushing back the frame. That's what they really want first. Then plus this. Screw down them. You understand? And shove it back in, then the screw up yourself.
Okay.
I guess I know.
You understand what I'm saying?
Yes, your name you can. Because I have screw you know. When I remember this buy.
You don't want to sell it in from up at the top, go down.
Go down.
Oh.
Beat a firm man.
Yeah, it could have been so same way. So them tired enough.
I have them screw you.
Yeah, them tired enough.
Easy. Sitting on it. Nothing. Yeah, book along with the hand. Go down. Complicate. Alright. Work this.
Yes, sir. You right there, sir? No? Yes, sir.
Come on, I say book a while ago. I said, slam it now go in. You know what, it's sample going, I'm tying up this. Maybe bring the current come around this the plane. As I'm walk with the plane.
Oh, the plane down.
Yeah man, as I'm walk.
With the plane, with the plane.
The plane,
With the helicopter. Yeah, you want the plane and do the helicopter.
I let me chill a little them.
Pass the extension.
See that?
See the plane are ready to take off.
Time, hold a plane. Plane up right top.
See plane there.
See, right that's how I plane. Yeah, alright, that's how I run. Catch it with them the first. See that again this. Like how you tell it just don't. You see that side there?
Hold on, back off and look for it. It's
look.
touch, look.
Just right there, sir.
You see?
Alright, look now, you see it? Come here, sir. Come, bring it on. See that side of the dust are going to blow, so you got to stand up round that side. The dust? No, stand up here, sir. The dust are going to blow here, sir. Put your hand up there and don't look and just go so with it. Yeah. The dust will blow that side. Draw back your hand. Right, draw it back some more. Alright, remove.
Clean, take off, left your dog.
Watch your eye. Watch your eye.
Right, just. Say both them today. The big one, we have so we never get it. We get the smaller one.
Alright, no problem. I know, say, I look over here. If you look over here, I'm supposed to.
You look a small one then?
Yeah, man. Supposed to have two of them. I'll try them.
Two of them, I get one for in and one for out. The in.
Whole chef yard. None but a mesh marina, brother.
Yeah.
With the blood, man. Time me come over here, me try paper to put on a mesh. Boy, it's a run roll every shirt the other day. When you know, me can't, that's why I don't bleach out in and then thing there. Me? Can't bear the heat. Yeah, I come over here, come. But I come measure all the things, I say, go chef, door open. I forgot, I never remember say, I bring the raw teeth piece or something for you. I have some old lock over there. More why I not throw with them. The lock, yeah, I remember, I remember. I don't remember, I don't go over here with them there. That's more time I see when I get on the lock to deal with. I'm show them when I hold this thing.
Piece of pull it out, it's the next piece, come on, that's why man.
Yeah, I know man, the top part.
That's right, so I see it come out, you know, that's a blood nurse.
You understand? You know that's
This guy says the whole chef door bathroom door going on, so we're gonna dress off this door, you know, dress off this and use strip so you cannot see inside, so we're gonna put strip right here. I don't say you cannot see nothing. Same thing.
Yeah, man, it's just a party, man. I remember, man. I can't remember, you know. We just two screen and something here with them there.
You know, say, wait name there, give me a look of fight.
Press down point, man. You look like a featherweight, you have to get a little brace. Wonderful.
Yeah.
So, my left wrist.
Vibration.
Yeah.
I don't mash me up.
That's what we need.
One biggest.
What did I say? I want to go.
No, man, it's there.
You there, man.
You did it on the phone now. I would dash you.
No man, oh, sit down. I mean, set up, you know.
Oh, come here and say.
This is my bigger, hold on.
Let's split them bigger than this, man.
No, man, took some my stick it up.
You're on the caterpillar.
Yo, come around the morning and I'll tell you. Bone up, so you run left and right here. You want a big fan or a nice AC?
So drill now work?
Yeah, man, the drill will
Me doing send it down to the drill.
She's cool, man. Drop one in our stuff for me. I'm on firm it up. And then licking back in.
Tracy and I heard it, I'm going to leave it with you and circle back. No work. Next.
Turning back up, man. Drop it, man.
Get something there, man. Sorry. Tie up your foot. And then big old boot there, keep them out there. Tie up yourself.
Yeah.
Turn it over now.
So I know you can't go in without no problem. Because I put them in there.
Take up your tape.
Alright.
Put it on the tape.
Yeah.
Put that down here. Just plant, knock out about the foot and plant in that. Plant.
One.
Yes. Knock out about the foot.
Yes guys, so what they're doing now, they're literally framing out the kitchen cupboards. You know, we're gonna put a cupboard underneath the sink right there, put a good door and put like shelf underneath. Where we can put in pots and them stuff there underneath it right there. You know, so you know, prefect know a little carpentry work, so that's why it's a prefect doing that duty for us as well today, you know. So as you can see, washer bathroom door is going on, you know, so the whole thing left now for now is finish off the top part of the window right there where you can see a see-through right there. You know, we're gonna finish those gaps, cover those gaps and everything. So come the builder, he's doing some other work as well to say I try to move from here and there to try to do what we can do same way, you know. So still I work at the time where we can get and try to finish off this project as soon as possible. You know, with the time we have available. Hold up. Too much. Yeah, like this.
I want more too then. What is short,
One piece of board for slice. That one I did.
You want a wedge?
It's a piece of board on it.
Go on, give me some.
Yeah, put in that.
Worship, you can say guys, worship start to clean up at the yard. Cleaning up start already.
Yeah, cause tomorrow no, me just get the. Yeah man, tomorrow no, me just get them digging.
Yeah, board.
Yeah man,
Yeah,
post.
legal post.
Yeah man, so we hold up a board and I said, when we put the board and I said, brother, we can join up and go up. Yeah, yeah man, you see it, we have board and I said we can join up. Get 2 pallets and do what we can do. You see me I say, yeah man. So it's up and running by weekend man. Friday, Saturday, yeah.
Yeah. This is gonna also come out. Yeah, that's right. This is gonna come out again. So as you can see.
Yeah, long post there, can't jump.
Where is it?
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better day.